What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Richie back at it again with another video. I want to thank every one of you guys right now for watching this video. If you're brand new to the channel, make sure you do two things. Look down below, click subscribe. Also, leave a thumbs up. The more we do that, the more we grow, the more we can reach other outlets. So, thank you guys so much. Right now, I am chilling in the Flash merchandise, you know what I'm saying? The nice t-shirt, the Flash t-shirt. Make sure you guys copy, send me a message on my email or hit me up on Instagram or Snapchat. They're gonna appear on this video. Make sure you reach out and get your merchandise. It's super sick, it's super dope, and it's like authentic, and it's real luxury, and it's real good material, quality material, doesn't shrink or anything like that. So make sure you support the movement and go order some. Other than that, I am chilling, I am cruising. Today's my off day. I'm making a stop at Stockton Honda dealership because I'm very close in the area. Then I want to go meet CJ, which is the car salesman that sold me the Flash. He's the GOAT, like I told you guys in previous videos. He's the GOAT because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't even be in the Flash, and everything was meant to be the way it happened. So definitely super excited to meet the homie, but I'm definitely going to stop at Honda. I should have did it before. I wasn't thinking about it, but I'm going to get the emblem. I don't know how to pronounce the word, the emblem, whatever you call it, the Type R badge, basically. I had the front badge, but I've been rolling with the back one without having one in the back for a while. So today's the day. I'm gonna just go over there, stop by, and go give me the red Type R badge. And the badge that they sell at the Honda dealerships are not officially the Type R badge. It's basically a universal one. It's a universal. It's not like the Honda brand. It's like an aftermarket, basically. So it's the aftermarket piece that Honda do sell. It's not strictly from Honda, so it might be a little different. It might not be as red as the Type R badge, and the two bolts may not fit exactly for this car. We never know. I might show you guys how it goes. Well, I will show you guys how it goes. But yeah, so we're gonna see how it goes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are growing every day. We're on our way to almost 2K. That's the goal. That's the lane. You know, that's the lane. Hey, but yes, everything's going well. So let's go. I got the badge, you guys. It's a little different color texture, but it gets the job done. But I got this over here at the Honda dealership in Stockton, where I bought my car last time. The Honda dealership in Stockton. So it's time for me to take this badge off and put this badge on to give it that red in the back. I got it for $34 employee discount, but if you get it at your local store, hopefully, I think it should be around like $45, $46 to get one of these Type R emblems. But I'm about to install it. I gotta take this one off. Probably gotta get something. I probably gotta, because they got cohesive right there, and it comes with cohesive on the back. But these are universal that they sell, so it doesn't necessarily fit 100% on all different Hondas. So we're gonna see if it fits on here. If we don't got the two bolts, I will have to cut those two bolts off and then just use the cohesive to put on the back. So yeah, so I think I might have to use a card or something to try to get the cohesive off and then go around it. We'll figure it out. So this one, I'm gonna try to use a card and see if that works, because it's like a little sticky part back here. So yeah, so what you do is get a card, because if you can see right there in the cracks, let me see if we can show, you see like a little black thin line in there, that's the adhesive. So you use a card to basically slide down. It's real tough. It's basically getting all that old, if you can, I don't know if it's concentrate, but you can see like little black particles coming off. Let me see, you can't really see, but right now just use a card. So I'm gonna use the card, go all the way around here, and then I'll get the edges off and then I can just yank it off. But I'll show you how it looks after I slide this card all around to the top. And you just gotta slide up, and all the little fucking part. It's real tough doing it with one hand, but if you guys get in the memo, you basically use the card. And it can all, if you can look right here, you can see like all the little dirt right there. It's all from the sticky that was holding this emblem. So I'm just trying to go all the way back to where I started at. and you can see the part just came off. So that's all the adhesive. So all that part is off. So now I'm gonna use this to yank it off. I think it's gonna break as I try to take it off. Oh, we got it. So we're gonna see if this is equal to this. So this, it's not gonna work. So the way this is, if you look right here, the way that hole is super lower than this. So if I put it on here, if I try to match it, it have like a little space. So I'm gonna just cut those off, the little black bolts, and then just adhesive it on. I think what I might do to make it better is just take off all this. Go from there. So let me clean this up. So it came out good. I love it. I made a little mess right here. I gotta clean that off, but yeah, it came out good. Came out super nice. It looks good. It matches the car. Type R badging. It's legit. So it actually fits in the car. And then as I go around the front way, it matches. It's dirty right now. I gotta clean it, but I was commuting. But it's good. Woo. Oh shit! Whoa! Yeah. That motherfucker sound mean.
Yep. You should hear it when I take off.
What the?
Like start popping and crackling.
Yeah.
And shit. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, that's dope. I love this car. I love this car.
Man, I'm recording right now, but you guys know the homie, the family, the guy that, this is the GOAT. I keep telling him he's the GOAT. If it wasn't for him, I would not have the Flash. He got a dope ass thing he about to do with this. I'm not telling y'all when he get it popping.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. It's about to be epic.
He's gonna be the first one I showed it to.
Yep. So stay tuned for that, y'all. And his IG, make sure you guys go follow him. Is on the video about to pop up right now. Boom, follow him right now. But man, this fucking SI is so sexy. Check out this. What's the name for the
it's called Wicked Flow.
Wicked Flow. Check this out. This is the only SI I've seen like this.
Yeah, there's another one in my car group. He has one like that. Yeah, so ours is super similar.
What? This shit's clean as fuck.
Yeah, she a little dirty, but you know.
Nah, man, but shit, you working, getting that money. But this is beautiful, bro. Damn.
Yeah, that was the first thing I had to do, man, because the exhaust, they're too low.
Quiet.
Yeah,
it's
so
quiet.
That's the first thing I did was do the exhaust. So that's my first mod. And then some other stuff's coming, so.
Yeah, this shit's beautiful still, even just as it is. But that's clean. When you post that on your page, I was like, oh, that's fucking raw. I never seen that in person on this model.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's clean. Sounds mean as fuck. Damn. So I just left Stockton Honda dealership and I left Acura in Stockton where the homie CJ now works at. Got a better opportunity as far as moving up. I'm super excited, super proud of him. He's doing this thing for real. So it's just a blessing to see him win, and it's just a blessing how life unfolds for everybody. Like I said many times, I love to see people win, man. That's my whole thing. I don't have no ill will to nobody. I always want to see people I'm cool with and others that I don't know win, because at the end of the day, if everybody can be successful in their own terms, that's a beautiful thing. And I encourage anybody and everybody to feel successful and do the right things that's going to make your life much more fun, you know. So, and I'm on the path of doing that myself. Like I said, my goal, honestly, my biggest goal is to be a full-time YouTuber and just live life doing the thing I truly love. But right now I'm at Honda, so it's another step, but it's actually something I love to do. It's with a company I love. I learn about Honda cars every day. I'm learning something every day, so it's an awesome feeling, and I'm just super excited. And this idiot right here, we're on the 2-lane, and this idiot right here is about to pass me. Such an idiot. There's 2 lanes on this highway, as you guys can see. There's 2 lanes. My lane and this lane is going the opposite way. I don't like when people do that. Impatient bullshit, just play your lane. But anyways, so like I was saying, though, I definitely love to see everybody win. I love to see everybody doing beautiful things, man. Life is too short to not enjoy it. And no matter what stressful situation you may be in, like I'm in a lot of stressful stuff off the camera, you know, but you know, at the end of the day, I know there's a way, and if you believe in it and you believe in yourself, things will work out. It may not work out the way you want, or it may not work out as fast as you want, but it will work out. Just don't give up on yourself and just keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. That's the beautiful thing about life that's like super underrated, is that we can control our fate. Basically, I'm just saying we can control what we want to do. You know, it's just on how we do it and where we surround ourselves, who we surround ourselves around. But at the same time, just being humble and motivated, and trying to put yourself in the best position to succeed than anything else. And don't let nobody stop you too as well. You want to make sure you stay motivated. But it was good seeing my homie CJ, man. His fucking SI is super dope, super clean. I love it. I love how this car is coming out. He got a dope theme that he's gonna do, but I'm not gonna say nothing. You guys gotta stay tuned. So when he gets that rolling and going, we're gonna have to do a video. You guys gonna love the whole movement, and it's gonna be super sick. So not saying much about that. Also, before I end this video, I met one of you guys, a subscriber, that came to my job, which I was super excited. And any one of you guys any one of you guys that want to come up to my job, you know, that's in the area or happen to stop by the area, if you ever want to see me or see my car, TheFLASH, it is okay. I love to meet people that support me with my vision and support me with this channel, because I truly appreciate you guys. Without you guys, I can't do none of this, you know. So I honestly respect and appreciate everybody for contributing support to me. Thank you guys so much. But the homie Steve came out with his wife. They from Virginia, and they was visiting California, then they're going to Vegas, and then they're going back to Virginia. And it was just an awesome feeling to meet you. If you watch this video, you and your wife, thank you guys for coming down and stopping by and just saying hello and just catching up on some things about the cars. And then it was dope to let you guys see the Type R that we have at our dealership. You know, took pictures of and stuff like that. So it was a great experience. I love meeting everybody that's subscribed to this channel, that support me, man. Like, even if you don't like me, you still subscribe to me. You helping me, you know what I'm saying? So I appreciate it. You know, all the hate and all the love, I appreciate it. But I definitely love meeting people that really support it. Like, thank you so much, because without you guys, I can't. It's pointless making these videos, because there's like, I need an audience, and if you guys are supporting what I'm doing, it's just a beautiful thing. It's a win situation. It's to the point where it doesn't feel like I'm making a video. It's just natural, you know. So I honestly thank you guys so much for all the love and all the support. I appreciate it, and I promise when I get in a situation where I am super financially straight and just in a better situation, I want to give back. I'm gonna find ways to give back to everybody that subscribes to me and give them an opportunity to feel happiness as well. But like I said, that's the goal. So I got to keep working. I got to keep grinding. Got to keep making these videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm gonna end it at this note. And yeah, so hope you guys have a blessed day. Take care. More videos coming. Make sure you subscribe. We out.